Hello guys, check out this strategy which you could use to drive thousands of leads to your CPA marketing offers right here. So even as a beginner, you can actually take advantage of this strategy, because in this strategy I'm going to be showing you how to promote your CPA marketing offers with the help of Propellerads.com right here in the year 2023. So just stick onto this video and watch to the end, because this is going to be an amazing one right here. So without further ado, let's just simply jump right ahead into today's video. So basically guys, the first step will be to go on to selecting a CPA marketing offer. I'm going to be using the CPAGRIP right here. Once I do log into my account and go onto the offer tools and my offers, I'll be shown offers to a specific demographic. You could go on to changing that to any demographic of your choice or country right there. I did select the United States because they do have a high buying power, and I'm just going to scroll through and select a sweepstake offer. And if I do select this offer right now guys, you can see more details to this offer. That is a $750 giveaway right here for you to go on to spending towards your summer style, and it is for the United States demographic. It is an Apple iOS offer, also an email and zip submit offer, and the payout to this offer is $2.31. Here is your unique affiliate link which you could use to promote this offer right now. So basically I have actually gotten all the details which I actually need to grab from this particular platform or from this offer right here. So you want to just simply head on to this platform called the Propellerads.com, and this is an amazing ad platform which you can take advantage of right now to start posting ads right here. And if you do come right here, you could see that you could go on to making use of the push notifications, the in-page push notifications, the interstitial notifications, or the pop under notification. And you can see that it's one of the smart user acquisition for media agencies and brands and affiliates. Also, so it's a multi-source advertising platform with 1 billion global audience to reach new users and grow your business right here. So you could actually just scroll through and you'll be able to see more stuff about this particular platform, as 1 billion monthly audience for industry focused campaigns. And you can actually focus or target the mobile application and utilities, software, lead generation, e-commerce, dating, finance, and a lot more right here with this platform. And you can actually go into exploring ad solutions used by 100,000 plus customers right there. So basically, if you do come to this platform, just simply go to signing up and create an account on this platform. And once you have done that, you can log into your account, where you'll be brought to a dashboard that will look exactly like this. So fund your account guys, because it's gonna be a paid ad platform. Just simply come to this ad fund right here, where you can fund your account via any one of these particular options. Maybe the bank card, the Union Pay, the PayPal, the Skrill, or the Avtech, or the Avt Cash right here. And if you actually do use any of these, just simply go on to clicking on create campaign after publishing or funding your account. So right now you want to just simply give your ad a name. And I'm just going to give it a name right here, such as this, which is a test video in short. And right now guys, you want to select an ad format. I prefer using the push notification because it actually creates a notification with a catchy offer and a vivid banner image. And I prefer using this one right here. Select the push notification type. I actually prefer using the classic push right now. You could also turn both of them on, maybe the classic and both in page push. You want to select the pricing model. I prefer the CPC right now. Just simply follow my lead guys, and you can just simply come right here to this target section and actually go on to pasting the URL to this particular CPA marketing offer. So I copy the URL and actually head back to Propeller Ads, and I'm actually going to pasting that right now. So guys, you can see that has actually been pasted right there. I could keep on scrolling through. You could see the traffic sources. I could just simply leave both of them on all. You could see the user activity. I'm going to leave all of them turned on all. And this section which says country/bid, you want to select the country which this offer is available to, and I'm going to go on to selecting the United States. If I do select the United States right now, that has actually been added. Come right here and input the amount which you want for this cost per click right here, and you can actually see the recommended, which is about 117 cents. So I'm just going to go on to changing that to something slightly above the recommended. So if I will put something like this for the in-page push, you also want to do something similar to that right there, so which is something actually related or slightly above the recommended right there. So I've actually gone on to inserting something right there, and once that has actually been inserted, you want to just simply target by cities or by states. I'm going to leave that on cities, and you want to just simply come down to this section which says advertising budget, and you want to go on to setting your creative right now. Maybe you just want to put in the budget which you want for the entire classic push notification. And if I want to run this ad, as you can see right here, the minimum is about $30 right now. If I go on to put in a total budget of $30 per day, and right now guys, that has actually been inserted, and I want this ad to run for 5 days. I'm just going to multiply 30 times 5, which is actually $150. So once I input that amount right there, I'm just going to leave that as it is. Go on to doing similar thing right here for the in-page push. So once that has actually been added, right here in this targeting platform, you want to select the platform which you are targeting. I'm going to be targeting only mobile devices. For the OS, I'm going to be targeting the iOS right here. And once that has actually been inserted guys, you skip out all the other sections and actually come right here to this interest section. I'm going to select giveaway, and in this other section guys, you want to go on to the creative section. And the creative section guys, that's where you're actually going to set how your ad is actually going to look like. So right here for the title, I can just simply head on to CPAGRIP and copy this exact same title with CPAGRIP actually used for this offer right now. Head back to Propellerads and paste that in right here. So you can see right here that I've exceeded about the amount of characters which I can actually go on to using by 7 characters right there. So you can actually see how this has actually been changed in this section. You want to just simply edit that to make sure that you actually remove about 5 letters right now. And if you do that guys, you also want to go on to inserting a cool description. And I'm also going to head back to CPAGRIP right here, copy this description, head back to Propellerads and paste in that right there. So that has actually been pasted. I also exceeded that with about 7 characters right here. You also want to come right here and add in an icon or an image right here. I'm going to head back to CPAGRIP, download that particular image, save the image on my device right now, and once that has actually been saved, head back to Propellerads and click on upload image, and I'm just going to select that exact same image and click on crop image right now. The image has actually been cropped right here and ready for use. For the landscape, I'm also going to do a similar thing right there. And right now guys, I'm going to select the section which I want to show for this ad, and I've selected that particular section right there. Click on crop image, and that has actually been inserted. So right now you can see this is going to look for Android devices, for the Windows devices, for the Mac OS, and for the in-page push. So right now, once you're actually done with this, you want to make sure you do add more creatives. You want to make sure you do add at least 3 more creatives to this right here, because the more creatives are, the more the chances of you getting better conversions to your CPA marketing offers. You can see right here that for testing, they actually recommend at least 4 creatives right there, with an icon, a banner, a text combination per campaign, and a lot more right there. So this actually means that the content in each campaign or each creative should not be the same. The title should be different, the image which you are using to promote that offer should be different, and you want to just simply change a lot of things. And once you are done, agree to the terms of services and go on to starting your campaign. And guys, with that being said, the campaign is actually going to run to a lot of people and individuals out there, because it's a paid plan or a paid campaign right here and an ad format. So if you do this right now, you'll be able to get thousands of leads to your CPA marketing offer, and I assure you don't want to miss out on this right now. So guys, I hope this video has been of help to you. Why not just simply go on to smashing the like button and make sure you subscribe to this channel. Also guys, turn on your post notification bell on all, so that it could always alert you whenever I release much more amazing videos that could help you make extra income online. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video guys, and goodbye.